Hi, hello, this is PGR, and you're watching PGR's Indian Recipe. A common breakfast in southern Indian houses is going to be this upma. This upma has various different variants. Now we're going to look into see a upma that is cooked in a restaurant. Now this upma is liked by most people because the texture and the look of the upma is different compared to what we make at home. So let's have a look into see how we could prepare a upma a restaurant style. I have preheated the pan and I'm adding oil. Cook this in low flame. When we cook upma at home, first we actually roast the rava or the Sooji, but in this case it's not. It's going to be a different process altogether. 100 ml of refined oil. Once the oil is warm, add the cashews. Roast the cashews in low flame. You may be wondering why I'm using so much of oil. Now, the consistency or the texture of this particular upma is going to be because of the oil that we are using. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of black gram, and half a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. Now the cashews are turned lighter brown. I'm going to add the black gram. And the mustard. Allow the mustard to splatter. Once mustard starts splattering, add the cumin, 4 to 5 green chilies slit, and 1 strip of curry leaves. Now the green chili, if in case you need more spicier, you can use more green chilies. If you want less spicier, you can use lesser green chilies. The green chili and the curry leaves. Medium-sized onion chopped, and the chopped onions. Fry the onions in low flame till it gets glossy. Once the onion turns glossy, we will add the chopped ginger. Fry it for a minute. On a small tomato chopped. At this point, add the tomatoes and the salt. Bowl measure of cut vegetables. I've used carrot, beans, and green peas. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add the cut vegetables. We're going to fry the cut vegetables along with the onions and the tomatoes. Fry the vegetables in the same oil. Close the lid and allow it to cook for 1 minute. After a minute, open the lid. Check if the vegetables are cooked. We need to leave it for some more time for the vegetables to cook. The vegetables are cooked now. At this point of time, we will lower the flame. I have taken 1/4 kilogram of Bansi rava and I have measured it in a bowl so that we use the same bowl to measure the water, because we need to use twice the amount of water in the same bowl. Add the rava or the Sooji. Mix it well. Now we're going to fry this rava along with the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. Usually people fry the rava first, then they cook it. But in this method, we're going to fry the rava along with the mixture. We're going to add 2 cups of hot water to this mixture so that it cooks the rava and the vegetables. Once the rava is fried in the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame, we will add the water. Now we are still cooking it in low flame. I'm measuring the hot water in the same bowl. 2 bowls of hot water, then we will mix it well. There shouldn't be any lumps inside. Now we will close the lid and allow it to cook in low flame for 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes, switch off the stove. Open the lid and add the corianders and mix it well. Your vegetable upma is ready to be served. Your restaurant style upma is ready. Hope you liked this video. If you want to know the ingredients, please do look at the description below to find the ingredients and the method of preparation. Do not forget to share and like and subscribe my videos. Thank you very much for watching my videos.